Hi, hello, I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we are going to do the project called Ventilator system. In this project we are using Arduino microcontroller and ESP32 microcontroller, and we are using LCD, and this is the emergency switch, and we are using relay to control the motor. This is the mechanism to control the AMBU bag. While this motor rotates, the bag will be pump the air. And here we are using pulse sensor to detect the pulse. When I am keeping my finger on the pulse sensor, the pulse rate will increase. We can see in the Blink IoT app, pulse rate are increasing.